Hello everyone, Cortness02 Gaming here, and let's play Crafty's Let's Play, Episode 1. And this is a Let's Play of Minecraft, no cheating, no chess, no, come on, I'm bad, I'm bad at speaking fluently English, because I'm not English. Oh my gosh. A freaking village in spawn, right? You spawn right. I spawn like there, and when I look at this, oh look, it's Trayor's cousin. If you don't know Trayor's, he is a friend. He's a friend of Dantidem, and if you don't know Dantidem, well, you're not a your brain is not updated, or you don't subscribe to him. Oh yay! There's blacksmith. Let's see what's. Oh, that's cute. Oh, 6 diamonds and diamond horse armor for. Oh, that's pretty great. And this is a sand. This is a desert biome, so I don't know where to cut trees. I think there are trees there. I, when we before we go to that way, let's steal, not steal, because we're planting, harvest, yeah, harvest these for the villagers. So to have food. So yeah, let's go that way. I wish there are mesa biomes here. Look, I spawned here, right? This exact spot, and this is where I look, and when I jump, I see this. Oh yeah, there are trees. There's tudors, and this is a great spot for building a house because it's near trees and it's near there, and it's near in water and food, etc. etc. I want birch because it's so bright. Birch. And let's let's cut some trees. I want to build a axe so I get better faster. What? I get wood just before I craft axe, and I'm gonna build a house. Boring house. But I'm trying. Ooh, I think Where's the spot? Yeah, like there. I'm not gonna build a massive house because that's too waste of resources. Like that, it's okay like that because this is my temporary house. Oh come on, I need wood. I need more wood. I need more wood. And sorry for the noise if you don't hear it. Thank you. I think this is gonna be enough. Oh, I don't want near that or house. I don't want to be near at the villagers because they're so freaking annoying and they're so freaking noisy. Sorry for the kids who are watching this. Frick is not a bad word, I think. Or is it? Sorry if it is. And I'm just gonna build I will name this Boring House. Yeah, Boring House. Come on. Why birch? Why slabs only? Oh no. I need more wood. I need more wood. This is only 10 minutes because I don't have Bandicam Pro. So, sorry if there's no ending because I don't see the time. And, oh, egg. Look at this pretty house. Pretty. So boring. So boring house. Need more wood. A door. Oh, come on. Why doors have to be trees? So. Hey. Where'd it go? And I'm building a shovel. If I finish this, I will name it Boring House. Boring. So boring. I'm using slab because I'm such a resource man. I don't waste resources. So yeah guys, thank you for watching and hope you enjoy and smash that like button.